INT. Cristiano Ronaldo's childhood home, Madeira, Portugal. Day. A humble home in Madeira, Portugal, filled with the laughter of a young Cristiano Ronaldo and his family. A young boy kicks a football against a makeshift goal, his eyes gleaming with determination. Cut to young Cristiano practicing tirelessly on the streets, honing his skills with every touch of the ball. Narrator, VO. Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro, born into modest beginnings on the island of Madeira, where dreams were as vast as the ocean that surrounded them. Cut to a teenage Cristiano signing his first professional contract with Sporting Lisbon, his family looking on with pride. Narrator, VO. At just 12 years old, he left his home to pursue his passion, joining the Sporting Lisbon Youth Academy, where his talent began to shine. Cut to Cristiano's rise to stardom at Manchester United, where he dazzled fans with his speed, skill, and goal-scoring prowess. Narrator, VO. His journey took him to Manchester United, where he became a legend, winning 3 Premier League titles and a UEFA Champions League trophy. Cut to Cristiano holding up the Ballon d'Or trophy, surrounded by his teammates and coaches. Narrator, VO. His relentless pursuit of greatness saw him crowned the best player in the world, winning multiple Ballon d'Or awards and etching his name in football history. Cut to Cristiano's move to Real Madrid, where he became the club's all-time leading scorer and won 4 Champions League titles. Narrator, VO. At Real Madrid, he shattered records and captivated the world with his unmatched skill and dedication, cementing his status as one of the greatest players of all time. Cut to Cristiano's emotional return to Manchester United, greeted by adoring fans who never forgot his impact on the club. Narrator, VO. And now, back where it all began, Cristiano Ronaldo continues to defy the odds, inspiring a new generation of footballers with his passion, perseverance, and undying love for the game. Cut to Cristiano Ronaldo, older now but still with the same fire in his eyes, as he steps onto the pitch, ready to write the next chapter of his legendary career. Narrator, VO. For Cristiano Ronaldo, the journey is far from over. His legacy is not just in the goals he scores or the trophies he wins, but in the hearts of millions who have been touched by his greatness. Fade to black. From the streets of Madeira to the grandest stages of world football, Cristiano Ronaldo's story is one of talent, dedication, and the relentless pursuit of excellence.